Hello, my name is Asma and I am the leader of our team participating in AGX Fair. Our campaign is called the Leaking Tap of Health. Imagine your body is like a water tap. Every time you skip a meal, eat junk food, or nitration, it's like letting the tap leak. Slowly your body loses essential nutrients like calcium, iron, and energy without you even noticing. Our campaign raises awareness about these hidden leaks caused by poor eating habits. Through interactive activities like our game, Choose What's Right, educational cards, and a tab-shaped scoring system, we help people realize how small daily choices affect their long-term health. Our message is simple but powerful. Seal the leaks to protect your health. Thank you.